Guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to crochet a coaster, so with this color yarn and 4 millimeter crochet hook. So to start with, make a magic ring or the magic circle. Make a magic ring or the magic circle like that. So that one is the magic circle, and now chain one, and inside the magic circle, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make a single crochet. Make a single crochet. Make a single crochet, and now one more single crochet. Again one more single crochet. So in total you have to make 8 single crochets inside the magic ring. So keep doing the single crochets until you get 8 in total. Until you get 8 in total. So guys, I have just completed 8 single crochets, and just pull the end yarn so that the circle becomes small. Just go to the top of the first single crochet over there, insert the hook inside the first single crochet, just grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch. So this one is the round 1, and now for the round 2, chain 1 and 2, chain 1 and 2. Now make 1, this chain 2 counts as 1 double crochet, and now make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch, so again in the next stitch you have to make 2 double crochets. So the first one and the second double crochet inside the same chain, the same stitch. So this row consists of 2 double crochets on each stitches. It is a increase round. So continue to make 2 double crochets on each stitches around, So guys, I'm at the last stitch. Make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet, and now make 1 more double crochet inside the same stitch, So guys, I have just completed the round 2. So now go to the top of the first double crochet, just insert the hook and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. So guys, we have got round 1 and 2. Now to begin with round 3, chain 2. Now chain 2 counts as 1 double crochet. So again 1 more double crochet inside the same stitch. So it is 2 double crochets in total. And now in the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet, and in the very next stitch, make 2 double crochets. So the first double crochet and the second double crochet inside the same stitch, inside the same stitch. And now again at the very next stitch over there, make one double crochet, make one double crochet, and again at the very next stitch make two double crochets. So one double crochet and one more double crochet at the same stitch. So this row consists of 2 1 2 1. So 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet. So repeat the pattern. Continue guys. So guys, I'm in the last stitch. So I'll complete the last stitch with 1 double crochet. Just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 double crochet. And now go to the top of the first double crochet, top of the first double crochet, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. So guys, now to start with the next row, chain 2, and now at the same stitch make one more double crochet, and the next stitch make 2 double crochets, and at the very next stitch over there make again you have to make 2 double crochets, 2 double crochets at the same stitch, at the same stitch. So now again at the very next stitch you have to make again 2 double crochets, again 2 double crochets. So guys, this row consists of 2 double crochets at each and every stitches around. So guys, I have just completed and I'm in the last stitch. So I'll complete my last stitch with 2 double crochets. So the first double crochet and the second double crochet at the same stitch. So guys, now go to the top of the first double crochet, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch, So now to continue with the next round, chain 2 and over there at the stitch, at the same stitch, yarn over, grab the yarn and again yarn over, put the hook inside the stitch, grab the yarn, and now just pull the yarn through all the loops, and now close the puff with the chain, and now at the very next stitch make one slip stitch, and now at the next stitch over there yarn over, insert the hook inside the stitch, grab the yarn and again yarn over, insert the hook inside the same stitch, grab the yarn and now just pull the yarn through all the loops. Now close the puff with the chain and now go to the next stitch, make a slip stitch, and this one is the pattern. Yarn over, go to the next stitch, grab the yarn, again yarn over through the same stitch, grab the yarn through all the loops, grab the yarn through all the loops, and now close the puff with a chain, go to the next stitch and make a slip stitch, and now again with the next stitch yarn over twice and grab the yarn through all the loops, close the puff with a chain, and with the next stitch make a slip stitch, So this one is the pattern guys. Yarn over, insert the hook inside the stitch, grab the yarn, again yarn over, insert the hook inside the stitch, grab the yarn, and now again pull the yarn through all the loops and close the puff with a chain, and with the next stitch make a slip stitch. So guys, this one is the pattern. Continue. So guys, I have just completed the last row of our coaster. This is the last row of our coaster, and this is how it looks. This is the last row of our coaster. This is how it looks. This is the back side, and this one is the front side. So guys, now I am left with 2 stitches, so I'm going to do 2 slip stitches. So the first slip stitch and the second slip stitch is done. So now chain 1 2 3 4 5, as many as you want, So guys, I have just chained a few chains. I have made few chains. Just fasten off the end yarn, cut it with a pair of scissors and fasten off. So this is the coaster guys. This is how it looks. This is a simple coaster. It looks like a flower. This is a back side. Fasten off that yarn. This is a simple coaster. You can make it for yourself. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my videos. Happy crocheting.